Welcome to my kitchen. In this episode of Anoma's cooking, I am going to show you how to make a okra curry. Here I have 200 grams of okra cut into medium sized pieces like this, and we need unroasted curry powder, turmeric, fenugreek seed, a small piece of cinnamon, and here I have a thin coconut milk and thick coconut milk. Here 1 piece of pandan leaves, 1 sprig of curry leaves, red onions, 1 small tomato cut into small pieces, 1 green chili, 1 garlic chopped. All this okra goes in, and then curry leaves, pandan leaves, and all these onions, garlic, everything goes in. Little bit of salt, and this turmeric, fenugreek and cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of curry powder. Mix it, and I am going to pour a quarter cup of thin milk. Don't put more. Quarter cup thin milk, and now I am going to cook this in a medium heat. Time to time we have to stir this. It's not done yet. We have to cover and cook another 2-3 minutes. Time to time you have to open the lid and stir the curry. Now you can smell the creaminess of the coconut milk. It smells so good. Very light curry because we put unroasted curry powder. This has delicate flavor. So it's not done yet. No. I'm going to cover this again. Now my okra is almost done. So at this point I am going to add my thick milk, 2-3 tablespoons. Now you can taste it and see whether salt is enough. Perfect. Now it's time to turn off the heat. Before serving this to the dish, you have to remove all the pandan leaves. I am sure you will love this recipe very much. So join me next time where I will show you another tasty recipe with love.